Ditch the bulky wallet and unlock the power of contactless payments right from your wrist. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch 5. First, make sure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your watch. If you don't, head over to the Google Play Store on your watch and download it. Once installed, open the Google Wallet app on your watch. You'll likely be prompted to set up a screen lock if you haven't already. This is a security requirement for using Google Wallet, so follow the on-screen instructions to create a PIN or pattern. Next, you'll be asked to add a card. Tap the Add Card button. Choose between adding a credit or debit card. Most major card types are supported. Now, you have two options. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your card, which is usually the quicker method, or you can manually enter your card details. Follow the prompts to enter your card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address. You'll then need to agree to your bank's terms and conditions, which might involve verifying your card through a one-time code sent via text or email. And that's it. Your card is now added to Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch 5. You can now make contactless payments simply by holding your watch near a payment terminal. Enjoy the convenience of paying with your watch. Be sure to check out my other videos for more Samsung Watch tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.